guys, welcome to my haul, Pink Summer Sale Nykaa haul. So yeah, I am putting this curtains on purposely cause background में बहुत mess है. So वो मुझे दिखाना नहीं है, तो मैंने ये ऐसे थोड़े से curtains ऐसे कर लिए. So I hope you guys don't mind and I think we should get started cause बहुत सारे products हैं जो मुझे आपको दिखाने हैं जो मैंने Nykaa में purchase किए थे this summer sale. So I think let's go. So there's a huge package. Oh sorry, address छुपाना है. This is a huge package and this is quite heavy. And उसमें से एक प्रोडक्ट तो मैंने बाहर निकाल के रखा है क्योंकि that's literally too heavy. So मैं नहीं उठा पाती ये. तो let's open this and I've already opened it cause you guys know I can't wait that long to open it and see what I have got. So this is full. I'll show you the products one by one. Let me just set it. Yeah, so it won't fall cause मैं मेरे खिड़की में खड़े रह के ये कर रही हूँ cause the lighting is very good here. So the first product I see is this Scalpy hair like massager, scalp massager thingy. मुझे ये बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था cause I do get frequent headaches and hair fall भी होता है बीच बीच में. So I have been recommended this कि इससे थोड़ा रिलीफ मिलेगा. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट दिस सिंस लॉन्ग एंड दिस वॉज ऑन सेल. मुझे अभी हर एक प्रोडक्ट की सेल प्राइसेस तो याद नहीं है. सो आई पुट इट अप योर समवेयर और योर समवेयर सो यू ऑल कैन चेक दैट आउट. मैं आपको चाहिए तो MRP बता दूँगी. सो दिस इज़ फॉर 600 रुपीज़ बट आई डिडेंट गेट इट फॉर 600 डेफिनेटली. आई विल पुट द सेल प्राइस. So I got it in pink color cause why not. And this is the product. It is silicone I think and it's very soft. I don't think this will hurt and it's something like that. It works. Yeah, it's very nice. It feels nice on my head. So yeah, this is the first product I got in pink. The second product is this body scrubber and it is a silicone body scrubber. I used to use that loofah and everything but बाद में उस पर ऐसे चल रहा था कि वो बैक्टीरिया कलेक्ट करता है and also I wanted an alternative and yeah, here it is. It's again pink cause yeah, I like the color pink definitely and it's something like it opens here. You can put your body wash in there and then I think you can squeeze it and it will come out from here. So yeah, it's very soft and gentle. It's not harsh at all on the skin. So yeah, this is the second product and I forgot to mention the MRP is 275. Okay guys, so the next product is a shampoo and conditioner combo from Love Planet and Beauty and this is argan oil and lavender for frizzy hair. So I have been using this combo like this is my third or fourth purchase of these bottles. I have been restocking this because I love this so much. As you can see, I have used this only the last time I washed my hair. So yeah, I love this a lot and I don't know about the sale price but the individual bottle, the conditioner bottle is for 400 rupees and the shampoo bottle is for 350 rupees. So I'll put up the sale prices. So yeah, the next product is this Aqualogica Dewy Plus Hydrate Sunscreen. My skin is very dry so I am out there always looking for products which are hydrating and this does the job guys. Trust me, this is my, to be honest, 6th or 7th purchase and I have been repurchasing this over and over again. This is the best sunscreen I have used so far. So yeah, I'll just show you. This is the bottle it comes in and this has a pump bottle and yeah. This retails for 449. Okay guys, so the next product is from Hyphen. This is a Kriti Senon's brand and I have been like scrolling through reels and everyone is talking about this brand so I wanted to try this. This is their barrier care cream with peptides and ceramides and everything and I don't know, this is for normal to dry skin. I wanted to try this so I bought it and this retailed for 449. I got it on sale with a few other products from Hyphen. I'll show that. So yeah, here's the bottle. The packaging is very nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It also has a pump applicator and yeah, it's very luxurious. The packaging actually feels very luxurious if you can see. Okay guys, so the last product I got from Hyphen is their lip balm. It is their vitamin infused peptide lip balm in peach. Again, it has peptides, vitamin E and everything and I have never used anything apart from, not used actually, never liked anything apart from Vaseline So I wanted to try this, especially if this works. And it retails for 349 rupees, and here is the tube. It's also very small. And yeah, let me just smell it because it says peach. Oh my god, it's really good, huh? It really smells like peach. Again, the packaging is very nice. So yeah, I'll use this and I'll let you know if it works. So the next product is again from Hyphen. It is their sunscreen, Ultimate Light Water Sunscreen SPF 50++. It's very tiny, I would say. I didn't expected it to be so small, and it retailed for 549. I'll show you. So yeah, this is the bottle. Again, the packaging feels very luxurious, very sturdy, and not cheap at all. And it's water like. I have tried it once. It's very watery with consistency. I think it also has a pump. Yeah, it's like a tube. You just pour and it's very watery. So yeah, I'll, if you want, I'll put a review on my Insta regarding this sunscreen, but it is good. I used it once and I liked it so far. So let's see. The next product is this eyebrow pencil from Sugar. This is also a repurchase, guys. I've been using, I think this is my third or fourth repurchase. I've been using this since long because ये जल्दी ख़त्म नहीं होता वैसे भी. And this is in the shade 04. And I think it retails for somewhere around 550. But this is really good. I have applied a little right now. It's very natural. It matches my brow and I love this product. So let me just show you. I have one right now which I am using, hence this is all packaged. Oh my god, it's very difficult, but oh, I got one out. Yeah, so this is the pencil. You can see one end it comes with a spoolie, and the other end is the actual eyebrow pencil. It's kind of in a triangle shape. If you can see, it works really well. The shade suits me. Yeah. So this is a repurchase too. So yeah. So the next product is this Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I use the shade 115 for your reference, but this is also a repurchase. This is one of the products I use daily. So I keep repurchasing it whenever it is on sale. I'm already using one which is not finished yet, but I still repurchase because it was on sale and I know I'll use it in future. So yeah, this retails for 269 rupees. I think I got it for really cheap. I'll show you the product. So this is the packaging it comes in. It's very nice. And yeah, so this is the product. A repurchase. So the next product is again a compact from Nykaa. This is not for me, this is for my mom. She uses this. It's in the shade, oh my god, there's no shade mentioned on this or what? Yeah, I got it. It's in the shade Base 03. She's been using this for quite some while now and she loves this, so I repurchased it for her because this was on sale also. I'll show you. Nykaa compacts are also very good. The packaging is also very nice. Oh my god, where does it open from? Oh my god, I'm scared. So yeah, this is the compact and I'm holding it because there's a plastic cover. My mom hates it when the plastic cover is lost. So I'm just being careful with her product because खौफ होता है मम्मी लोगों का. Okay, so next product is from K Beauty. It's their Kajal pencil in brown color. I don't really wear kajal a lot, but since I wore it in my best friend's wedding, I fell in love with the brown kajal. So yeah, it retailed for 399 rupees and here is the pencil. Packaging is very nice and the tip is also very precise. And oh my god, the color is also beautiful. If you can see, it's very beautiful. So yeah, the next product is also from K Beauty. It's their concealer and I use the shade 140Y medium for the reference. And yeah, this is a repurchase. I swear by this product. I already have 2 bottles of this concealer and I have purchased the third one because it was literally on 40% or 50% sale and I didn't want it to miss that because I can't go a day without this. I have dark circles and I just apply concealer and compact daily, so I do need it and it's very hydrating. The bottle is like this. the applicator, I don't want to ruin it because I'm not going to use it, but the app right now. But the applicator and the bottle is very nice, like not nice, but it feels luxurious. It's not cheap or anything, the packaging, and I swear by this. This is hydrating, doesn't crease. It's full coverage, I might say. But yeah, I love this concealer, and this retails for somewhere around 850, and I got it for really cheap. I'll mention the sale price. Okay guys, so the haul would be incomplete without a lipstick, and this time there are 3 lipstick because this comes in a combo, and this is the product where you can say Instagram made me buy it because I had seen so many reels about this product and about this lipsticks that I had to buy it, and this was on sale as well. I'll show you, and it retails for 447. That's also not expensive for 3 lipsticks, but I still got it on sale, so that's a win-win. So yeah, the shades are brown 04, and all the 3 shades are brown, as you can see. I'll swatch them for you guys one by one. The packaging is very nice, everything is matte and everything. So this is the first shade. Oh wow, it's very creamy. So this is the first everyday kind of brown, I think. Yeah, it's very nice. This is the second shade. Everything is looking so similar, but this is the second shade. Oh my god, this is so creamy guys, so hydrating. It would be so hydrating on lips, but there is a difference in shade. This is more my kind of shade. I wear these kinds of shades every day. And the third one. Oh my god, this is also a pretty shade. This is also a really pretty shade. So guys, this is the last product in this haul. A very big, oh my god, it's huge. It's bigger than my head, to be honest. So this is in their dryness care body wash variant with jojoba oil and everything. I have used the blue color one. I don't know what is it, but this is the first time I'm using this variant, and Dove body wash are always great. So I got it in a very huge bottle, and this retailed for 590 rupees, but I think I got it for somewhere around 350 or something. I'll mention it, but yeah, I have started using this already, and it smells amazing. It is amazing, doesn't leave my body dry and everything. So yeah, that's the last of my haul. All the products are done. Fine, so guys, all the products are done, and I'm sweating here cause I am filming this haul in my balcony, and you guys are literally on the AC thing. So yeah, the haul is completed. Do let me know if you want any recommendations to buy from the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale, and do let me know if you would love watching this haul videos, though it's clothing, products, if you would love to hear product reviews. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. I'll mention my Instagram handle below. Follow, subscribe, like, comment. Do give me suggestions if you have any. And yeah, bye bye, take care, meet you in the next haul or video, I would say vlog, which I'm right now filming. So yeah, bye.